Alright, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to change the light bulb that illuminates this bottom portion here on the Volkswagens. A lot of them. This is an 05 Passat. So as you can see, if I turn my lights on, oh, it's working now. Oh, okay. Alright, well, that's a little weird. Yeah, so the bulb's loose. When I turn it, it turns off and shit. Okay, I covered this with couple layers of this rubbery tape. So it doesn't really, there's not much room to really grab it, but this seems pretty gripped on, so let's see if we can get it here. No. I'm gonna probably need to get smaller pliers. Okay, so I just got a better grip on it and pulled it straight out. And this comes with it. And down here, you have the little mini bulb. So that's a 2721 bulb, and look at that. Just to even get to that is kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, so you want to get yourself a tube, like look around your house, maybe even like a spare tube from a toilet assembly or something. I was able to put it on there and grip it and yank it out, and the bulb came with it. So now we're just gonna get the new bulb and do the same thing, just push it in really lightly so it doesn't stick in there to the tube. Okay, the bulb is a 2721 by Sylvania. I have one left from when I changed this a couple years ago. Okay, I have the tube. I put the bulb in there really lightly. It'll be enough to pop it in, but not get stuck on the tube. And this is a different tube. It's more of a plasticky type, so let's do that. Alright, so we're just gonna go in. Keep it straight up and down, not flat, but about 12 and 6. And push it in. There it is. Alright, now we're gonna pull this really slow, and hopefully the tube will come off. It should. There we go. Okay, let's see if it works. Yay, that's bright, really bright. And then you put this on. And you just press it back in nice and straight. Come on now, focus for me, baby. There we go. Bam. That's it. Good for another couple years, hopefully.